welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ebs Katrice, and today we are here with a product review. Today we're going to be reviewing MINAMUL'S, a new KONJAC organic baby sponges. Before we get into the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hey! So these baby sponges, these KONJAC baby sponges come in different shapes and sizes. In this variety pack, we received 5 different sponges. We have the ladybug, the star, the butterfly, the monkey, and the bear. These sponges are good for naturally cleansing and exfoliating and nourishing your skin. They dislodge dirt, oil, and blackheads from your skin, and it's completely vegan, natural, and non-toxic, and they're biodegradable. With these sponges, I actually use them on my daughter when she takes a bath. I will rinse the sponge off in the water. It says 2 to 3 minutes, but it gets very soft very fast. So I give it about 30 seconds to a minute, honestly, and the sponges are really fast. But I try to, keep working the water into it. Once the sponge is completely soft, you can apply your cleanser right on it or your soap right onto the sponge, or you could do it onto your skin and then rub with the sponge. The sponge is so soft. My daughter didn't complain about anything with the sponge. She actually wanted to play with it. She loved how soft it was, how squishy it was when the soap was inside of it. So it did a very good job. Now, as far as exfoliating, I'm not sure how it would exfoliate because of how soft it is. It doesn't really give you that texture of like a sugar scrub or anything when you're exfoliating your face or any other parts of your body. So I'm not really sure how that actually works as far as the exfoliation part. But the cleansing and holding the cleanser or the soap in the sponge, I love that part about it. And it's very easy to clean once you're done with it. All you have to do is run it under warm water, squeeze it a couple times. The cleanser or the soap will be out of the sponge, and you just hang it up to dry for the next time. And when it dries, it does dry hard, not super hard, but it does dry hard, and it soaks up the water when there's time for you to use it again, and it gets soft right over. So you can use this. It says that you can use it for up to 2 months per sponge, and I have 5 sponges, so I can use this for almost a year, just those 5 sponges. I personally probably wouldn't use it that long for 1 sponge, but it says you have to replace it every 2 months. So I feel like that is a great investment. This size pack had 5 of them. It was less than $10 on Amazon, so you can get it directly from the store, and I have the link in the description box below. If you wish to have something like this to wash your children, or to either wash for your face or use for your face when you wash your face, I would say it's a good investment, and it'll probably help you in the long run. Now, as far as the benefits, again, I'm not sure if the exfoliation part is really good or if it actually works for the exfoliating portion, but I do plan on using it on my skin for the next few months to give you an updated review once we get to that time frame, and I'll continue to use it on my daughter just for when she takes baths. She loved the sponge, so I think that would be something fun for her to bathe herself if she wished to do so, and then I could just go behind her. But I love the product so far. I have no complaints. I think it's actually a great product. But yeah, that's all I have for this product review. If you like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Again, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join my family. Leave a comment down below if you've actually used KONJAC sponges before, and what were your results, or what did you like or dislike about the product. And again, the link is in the description box if you want to go get these sponges. These are the baby sponges, so if you have kids, this would be great for them, but I'm sure you can use it on your face as well. So the link is in the description box. Again, it was less than $10. Very worth your investment. Lasts up to 10 months if you use it if you use 1 sponge every 2 months. So $10 for 10 months, I think it's worth it. So again, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.